Hello, this is Mole's video 8, Atom Economy, and it's AQA specification 4.3.3.2, and it's for chemistry only, so not for combined science, although it can be in higher or foundation. Okay, this is one that gets mixed up with percentage yield quite frequently, because it's essentially a percentage that you're calculating, so you need to be aware that it is totally separate from percentage yield. Percentage yield is working out how much of your expected amount in a reaction actually gets turned into a product. Atom economy is a measure of the percentage of reactants that become either a useful or a desired product. So what that means is how much waste there is in the actual equation that you're looking at. And you calculate it using this equation here, which is the mass of the desired product that you look at the equation, and you need to use a balanced equation, divided by the total mass of the reactant, again from that balanced equation, times by 100. And again, the easiest way to do this is to show you a couple of examples. So there are two reactions that I've picked. Each of them make water. So water is our desired product. What you've got to do is work out the mass of the desired product from the equation and then divide it by the total mass of the reactants. So here, atom economy, we're going to get the mass of water from the equation, as in, oh look, there are two waters. So hydrogen is a mass of 1, oxygen is a mass of 16, 2 times 1 is 2, add 16 is 18, so it's 18 multiplied by 2, and then we have to divide that by the total mass of the reactants. Each hydrogen is 2, but there's 2 of them, so it's 2 times 2 plus 2 times 16. Don't know why I'm putting brackets there, we're just going to go with this. 2 times 18 is 36, 4 plus 32 is 36, times by 100, well 36 divided by 36 is 1, times 100 is 100%, because there's only one product, there are no waste products here, so the atom economy, it means how many of the reactants end up as part of the product you want. If there's only one product, it's always 100%. So it can't ever be more than that. So I'm going to show you another equation. Again, I'd like you to try and pause the video, work out the masses, and then see if you can work out the atom economy, and then check against what I do. Okay, again, we want the mass of the desired product from the equation. This is already balanced, and there's only 1 in front of everything, so it's 18 for water. But we have to get the mass of all the reactants. So I've given you the extra ones you need here. Hydrogen is 1, chlorine is 35.5, so that is 36.5. Sodium hydroxide is 40, so times 100. So if we then put them in, we do 18 divided by 76.5. And yes, that really is the shadow of a calculator as we do this. And that gives us 23.5%. So you can see the vast majority of the atoms here end up in the other product. So there's a really low atom economy if you're trying to make water. It would be far better from atom economy to make this. Now, quick note, this again is not the percentage yield. It might be that you made this with a really low percentage yield, but that's got nothing to do with this. The atom economy is only ever one number for any given equation because it's just linked to that equation, whereas the percentage yield is essentially how good you are at getting the chemicals to react in a lab. Thank you.